Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So with this tool here, you can get some formulas fast, never leave your sheet, or you can get some AI generated formulas, simplest way to use AI for spreadsheets. So let's say that we want some AI formulas. Let's see what it has. And it says here, get started with AI formulas. So let's say that we want a summarization of our table here. I'm going to go to summarize, then go to insert formula. Now it says here, please fill in the following fields. You can enter in your text, and then you can enter in the FMT, which is also optional. And then it's going to tell you that the formula has been inserted successfully. Now, another thing that you can try to do is you can also take a screenshot of your worksheets in your Excel application, and then try to save it onto your computer. So that if you go to Gemini, you are going to upload an image of that screenshot. They can also ask you some questions about your worksheets, such as which was the highest budget amount. So then we're going to hit the send option. And then it says here the highest budget amount is for flights at $700. So there you go. You can also use Gemini in order to make your work easier. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.